I'll start with the easy one. The 9-inch chef knife is the one that I wanted to review the first time I collaborated with New West Knife Works. It's a length on a chef knife that I feel immensely comfortable with. I love the fact that it's actually a little bit shorter, so this kind of rides the line between feeling like a slicer in some ways, which again, I also gravitate towards quite a bit. And because this is almost an entire inch longer than the one that I covered in my G Fusion video, I felt like there was no kind of hindrance on what prep tasks I could tackle with this knife. Next up, the petty knife, and this quickly became a go-to for me. I found myself reaching for and putting this in my knife bag a little, like even outside of the testing that I did for this video. I just found myself tossing this into my bag. If I'm building out a minimalist kit where I do need to be able to butcher chicken and carve lamb off the bone and split shrimp in half and dice shallots and supreme citrus, I'm kind of reaching for this one. The last of the three. This is such a fun knife. This is the Western chef knife. This kind of takes inspiration from more of the hunting / Bowie style knives. This is almost like a 6.5-inch like Santoku / Nikiri, if that makes sense. So the way that this swoops up, the place where the board contact happens on this knife kind of ends right here, and then you have this bonus tip section. There's the kind of cool, swirly, very burl style ironwood that you can see sometimes. There's also your very run-of-the-mill, just straight wood patterning if you want something that's a little bit more subtle, because I know that design details and again, the subjective qualities of handle materials makes knives different one to the next.